Hello guys, a new tutorial. I will show you how to install Python 2.7 on Ubuntu 19.04. So it is just one command. Let's copy and paste. Let's open new terminal. And yes, I want to continue to start the installation. And waiting for the installation. So please do not forget to subscribe to the channel to support us. Okay, the installation is finished. Let's check Python if it was installed correctly. So Python version 2.7.16. Let's create an example. For example, touch test.python, and then let's edit nano test. For example, print hello world from empty software. And yes, save. But sorry, I forget to close. Yes, save. And now let's run Python test. And this is the first example, hello world from empty software. So this is how to install Python.7 on Ubuntu 19.04. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe. Goodbye.